Are you looking for your next role in manufacturing? Well, keep watching to see some exciting new vacancies from this sector. Sales Manager. You'll be responsible for driving sustained sales growth of products by developing new customer relations and business plans. The ideal candidate will have strong communication skills, and experience in a similar role will be beneficial. Business Analyst. You'll continuously work closely with various departments to collect, identify and analyse data to drive business value and improve efficiency. The ideal candidate will have exceptional analytical skills, understanding of business processes, and be able to collaborate with a wider team. Mechanical and Technical Drafter. You'll undertake technical drafting of 2D and 3D engineering drawings to develop, design and review technical solutions. The ideal candidate will be proficient in 3D drafting, have knowledge in sheet metal design, and an engineering degree or equivalent experience. Turnaround Supervisor. In this varied role, you'll ensure the client's work permitting, scheduling, and progress tracking needs are met. The ideal candidate will have a mechanical engineering degree or similar, 8 years of industry experience, and experience with shutdowns and turnarounds. Vendor Quality Engineer. You'll have the important role of conducting product audits and quality assurance, eradicating any quality issues. The ideal candidate will have a degree in engineering or similar, 3 to 5 years in a quality engineering role, and be familiar with pre-assembled production lines. Electrical and Automation Engineer. You'll be vital in delivering complex product solutions throughout the full product lifecycle. That ideal candidate will have a degree or equivalent in a relevant discipline, experience of project engineering, and be a proficient user of ePlan. Corporate Sustainability Manager. In this exciting role, you'll establish and manage the development and revision, tracking and follow-up of the client's sustainability plan. That ideal candidate will have a degree in a relevant discipline and 10 years of relevant experience. Sourcing Manager. You'll provide expertise and insights with regards to procurement, leading engagement with businesses and ensuring compliance. The ideal candidate will have at least 8 years of industry experience, a degree in business, finance or similar, and strong procurement theoretical knowledge. That's all for this week. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more content. And don't forget, links to these roles can be found in our description with more information on requirements and salary. At nesfircroft.com, you can also find even more vacancies across all our sectors.